Several Indian leaders left their mark through ages. Their courage, consideration, caring, love, and justice has inspired many people. So, let us study about them all. Some of them are discussed in this chapter. Chapter number 17, Great Indians. The first one we will study about is Mahatma Gandhi. Birth date 2nd of October 1869. Birthplace Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai. Putlibai was a religious lady. Mahatma Gandhi studied law in England and soon got an opportunity to go to South Africa to fight a case for Indian businessmen. He helped us to get freedom from Britishers. His main motto was non-violence and cooperation. His technique of truth and the laws he obeyed made him very famous. Next is a very brave lady, Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was born on 13 November 1835. Her childhood name was Manikarnika. Lakshmi Bai played an important role in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. When the Britishers' force laid siege to Jhansi, she rallied her troops and offered a brave resistance. However, her army was defeated and she had to escape from the city. Later, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined Tatya Tope and Nana Sahib in the fight against Britishers. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, birth year 1772, birthplace West Bengal. He was a great social and religious reformer. Sati and child marriage were his main aims of focus. Sati was the practice of burning Hindu widows along with the body of their dead husbands on funeral. And child marriage was the evil social practice which he fought against. Therefore, he is rightly called the father of modern India. Rabindranath Tagore, born in Calcutta in 1861, was the youngest son of Rabindranath Tagore and Sarada Devi. An interesting fact about him is that he wasn't sent to school. He was educated by a home tutor, but he was not happy regarding this because he was a curious and creative child and did not like to be studied in four walls. He received many Nobel Prizes for his work, as he wrote Gitanjali, our national anthem, and various other creations. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, birth date 17th October 1817, a very well respected man in the field of education in Muslim community. He started the movement for spreading modern education and social reforms among the Muslims. He was the founder of Aligarh Muslim University. All his life, he protested against the practices of Parda system and early marriage. He wanted girls to be educated and independent. He established schools for both girls and boys. He believed in progress. Mother Teresa, birth date 26th August 1910, birthplace Macedonia. At the age of 12, she realized that her calling in life was to help the poor and spread love amongst them and to spread the message of Christ. She left her parental home when she was 18 and she became a nun, a sister, and joined the Sister of Loreto. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. India honored her with the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Along with this, she won several other awards and accolades for her selfless service to humanity. She selflessly looked after the poor people and took care of them.